Hello students, welcome to my physics class. This is Shumi Roy from Techno India Group Public School, Shiliguri. And today we are going to learn about electric current and its effects. Electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. It is used for lighting rooms, working fans and domestic appliances. All this provides comfort to people. Electricity is also used in factories. Large machines are worked with the help of electricity. The source of all electricity is charge, and a flow of charge in an electric circuit is called an electric current. A closed path in which a current can flow is called an electric circuit. An electric circuit may have one or more electric elements such as bulbs, cells, switches and metal wires. Each element of a circuit has a specific function to play. For example, wires can be used to connect one element to the next, and a plug key or a switch can be used to either complete or break the closed path. The given figure shows a simple electric circuit in which a bulb, a cell and a plug key are connected by the wires. Some common electric components can be represented by symbols. Some electric components and their symbols are shown in the given figure. In the symbol of electric cell, notice that there is a longer line and a shorter but thicker parallel line. In the symbol of electric cell, the longer line represents the positive terminal and the thicker shorter line represents the negative terminal. For a switch, the on position and the off position are represented by the symbols as shown. The wires used to connect the various components in a circuit are represented by lines. A battery and its symbols are also shown. Now, let us define components of electric circuit one by one. The first is cell. A cell is a single electrical energy source which uses chemical reactions to produce a current. And a combination of cell is called a battery. For some of the activities, we may need more than one cell. So, we connect two or more cells together, that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is called a battery. Many devices such as torches, transistors, toys, TV remote controls uses batteries. However, in some of these devices, the electrical cells are not always placed one after the other. Sometimes the cells are placed side by side. The next electrical component is electric bulb. It is a simple device which works on electric current. It has been used for the purpose of illumination for more than a century. The next electrical component is switch. Switch is a device used for making and breaking electric current through the circuit. And connecting wires are good conductor of electricity that allows the electricity to flow through it easily. A circuit may be represented by a diagram that uses symbols for the elements used in the circuit, showing how the elements are connected to each other. Such a diagram is called a circuit diagram. Circuits are of two types, open and closed circuit. When the switch is in the off position, the circuit is incomplete. It is said to be open. No current flows through any part of the circuit. But when the switch is in the on position, the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is complete. The circuit is then said to be closed and the current flows throughout the circuit. With this, we end our today's topic. In the next class, we will learn about the heating and magnetic effect of electric current.